Looking for a PSP.
I didn't touch your butt, I swear. I was gonna put that on. Hey, I hear it. No. No, never mind.
Hi.
Hi. I don't see it. Shut up. You do I gotta be mean to me like that? Be like, I lost it.
Watch out.
No. Use you.
What is that noise?
The Velcro.
Is it Velcro?
Mhm.
Where'd it go? Is it in that couch?
I don't know.
Is
Oh
that
wait!
it?
Wait! Oh.
Oh, I heard it.
If your game turns out weird, don't blame me.
I would blame this one.
I want
Alright, there you go.
pony. Give me it. Give me it. You love me more, don't you? Please.
Please.
Oh.
Here comes the bride.
You're like, oh, this is a record. Ow.
No flashing anybody on the camera.
Ow.
And no stinky feet.
Don't. I'll hit you so hard you would know. Ow, my hair. Oh my god, no. You will not do that on Wilson's recording. No. No. Just do it then.
You're gonna hit her head! Oh my god!
Ow. My head. Oh my god. Oh, my head. Oh my god, that sucks.
Nice hairdo.
Dang, hit my head on the thing. Hit to somebody.
I said not to hit her head.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Look at your hairdo. That's funny. Hi.
Hi.
Hi people who are gonna watch this on YouTube. Yay! Ew, Vicky. Vicky, get the Febreze. Vicky had I give it to you.
No, you did.
Ow!
Hey.
Very short. That's not fighting. Ew.
I can't do that to you.
You can try.
I used to.
You used to.
Just because I'm little, don't underestimate me, okay?
Don't twitch.
That ain't end up good.
What did you say?
Right there.
No. No. Happened yesterday. No. I went,
Yesterday I almost broke her in half.
Ready?
Hey. Let go.
Uh-oh.
Don't break that mirror.
Wait, let me fix it.
Wait, kick him in the knee.
Oopsie.
Dun dun dun. Dun dun dun. It's like me slapping her. He's gonna sit on you.
No.
Hey, what do you want for Christmas?
I want a pony. I want to live here forever.
Aww.
And nuts for Mark to hit my thighs. And for me to have his hat.
And then his shirt, and then his other shirt.
No. What are you talking about?
No flashing anybody.
No, but he's drumming. I'm like, ew.
Ow.
Put your sticky feet in his face.
I'm trying, but it's not working.
Tickle him. Massage him, Vicky.
It's not-
Oh, what a girly man. I'm.
No.
Okay.
He farted. Went.
No.
Tickle him. Massage him, Vicky.
Putting my pants in my, putting my shirt in my 20s, guys. That is the dumbest thing ever invented.
Who invented that?
Yeah, she did. That was crazy.
Hey.
Woo!
Good job.
I know, right? Just woo.
Versus that thing.
That thing?
My leg.
Lovely picture.
Thanks.
Ow! Oh my God! Ah!
No!
Ow. My foot stuck.
Ow, my leg!
Thank you.
Burp.
Ow. Now you bring me into the test club.
A big murder.
They started it.
We won.
Oh.
You won?
44, 28. Wait, no.